So many souls have tested him throughout the course of time. So many still reach out to him with broken hearts and minds. And every one of them will say, with no exception, that they find Jesus never fails. Even in the days that gone, he brought his people food. And then he came and showed his love and died for me and you. And he rose again to prove that every story had been true, that Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. Your mind as well in the behind his ways. You can never fail, because Jesus never fails. Sometimes the world brings trouble. I find it hard to bear. I know I would not make it without Jesus being there. It's so encouraging to know, however deep we're in this time, that Jesus never fails. So what can I do to prove to you? Tell me, how can you deny? No untold facts, no mysteries. It's all so good and try. On the weakest day of your life, I'll be the first to testify that Jesus never fails. Jesus never Sometimes the world brings troubles. I find it hard to bear. I know I would not make it without Jesus being there. It's so encouraging to know, however deep we're in these times, that Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. Jesus never So what can I do to prove to you? Tell me, how can you deny? No untold facts, no mysteries. It's all so kind of right. On the weakest day of your life, I'll be the first to testify that Jesus never because Jesus never fails. I know Jesus never fails. Jesus fails. You might as well get baby. You cannot prevail because Jesus never fails. I know Jesus never fails. Jesus never fails. You might as well behind me says you cannot because Jesus never fails. I know Jesus fails. Jesus never fails. You might as well be behind us. You can because Jesus never fails. Because Jesus never fails. Because Jesus never